Hey friends, let's do She Makes My Day guitar lesson by Robert Palmer. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting on this A6 and our strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Again, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And that's one bar, so we're going to do A6, so it's just an A chord but add the second fret on the E string, so you can just bar down there and one bar there. Down, up, up, down, 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 up. To an F sharp minor 7, one bar again. Then we're going to a D sus2 over F sharp. So do the D, take your second finger off so we've got the open E string and the F sharp on the top E string and one bar there. Then go to an E7, but we're going to add the flattened 7th high as well. We're going to put that on the 3rd fret on the B string there and a bar there as well. And do that 2 times through, and that's your verse. So we're starting on the D major 7, one bar, same strumming pattern. To a D minor 7, again one bar. Then we're going to go to an F7 and we just strum once, hold for a bar, and then the E7 for a bar. And we're adding that 3rd fret again on the B string there, and that's our pre-chorus. So we're just starting on the A, one bar, same strumming pattern. To a B7 for one bar. This time go to D over F sharp, one bar. Then we're going to our E7 again, we're going to do it for one count, so down, down, up. And then we're going to this E7, add 13, so we're just going to add in the 2nd fret on the B string, down, down, up, to an E7 sus4. So now just go to the 2nd fret on the G string, down, down, up, back to E7 for one count, down, down, up, and do that 2 times there. So from that E7, down, down, up. So play the chorus through 2 times, then just go back to that verse progression, the A6, F sharp minor 7, D sus2 over F sharp to E7, play that through once, and that's the end of the chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, that's exactly the same, back to our pre-chorus. Then we have our chorus again, just do it 2 times just like we did, but don't go back to the intro there. So we're starting on A, do that for a bar. C sharp 7 for a bar. D for a bar, A for half a bar, so just down, 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 up, to A major 7 for half a bar, down, 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 back to B7 for a bar. This time go to the C sharp 7, just half a bar, down, 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 up, to D half a bar, down, down, then go to the E7, but don't add the 3rd fret on the B string there, and 1 bar. And finish on A, and just hold there. And that's our instrumental. From there we go back to the verse, that's the same, the pre-chorus the same, then to the chorus, do it 2 times, and then just repeat the intro, or that first verse, the A6 to the F sharp minor, the D sus2 over F sharp and the E7, just keep repeating that to the end. And that's the whole song there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed She Makes My Day Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.